High on the Bolivian altiplano lies Puma Punku, the gateway of the Puma. The air is thin and the mysteries are thick, a testament to a civilization that challenged the very limits of what we believe was possible in the ancient world. At nearly 13,000 feet, the silence is profound. Scattered across the arid plain are immense stone blocks, some weighing over 100 tons. Toppled and fragmented, they lie as silent witnesses to a cataclysm. These stones are cut with a precision that seems almost industrial. The smoothness is uncanny. From above, the site appears chaotic, but up close, a different story emerges. A story of intention, of meticulous planning, and of breathtaking skill. These are megaliths of andesite and red sandstone, materials notoriously difficult to work with, shaped with astonishing accuracy. The name Puma Punku hints at a gateway, a portal to something lost to time. The site is part of the larger Tiwanaku complex, a civilization that predating the Inca by centuries. The scale is monumental, the geometry flawless. Here the story is told in mathematics and pure geometry. Perfect right angles, smooth surfaces and interlocking shapes speak of advanced planning. They speak of a mastery over stone that defies easy explanation. There are no chronicles, only an enigma. Standing among these silent giants, we confront the evidence of a people whose knowledge and skill still puzzle us. The silence is heavy with questions. What was this place in its prime? The stones offer no easy answers. Puma Punku remains a monument not just to the past, but to the limits of our understanding. To grasp Puma Punku's achievement, examine the construction. It's about the incredible precision with which the stones were crafted. Observe the surfaces, the edges, the intricate details etched into their ancient faces. Surfaces are polished to a degree of near-perfect flatness. The smoothness rivals modern machine work. Place a straight edge against them. Notice the almost complete absence of gaps. The lines are clean, straight, and true. Corners form true 90-degree angles. The sharpness is undeniable. This level of precision is consistently applied across all the massive blocks. Some of these blocks are truly enormous. The builders chose to shape incredibly hard andesite. Grooves, perfectly straight, run for meters across the stone surfaces. Drill holes, evenly spaced with remarkable accuracy. This level of craftsmanship is far beyond the capabilities of simple laborers. Andesite was carved with a level of finesse and detail that continues to baffle researchers. The precise techniques employed have been lost to history. These stones are tangible artifacts of a lost science. Their unparalleled perfection challenges everything we thought we knew. Puma Punku's stones speak volumes about the ingenuity and skill of their creators. Among the enigmatic ruins of Puma Punku, the H-blocks immediately capture attention, standing out not just for their size, but for their sheer complexity and the questions they raise about ancient construction techniques. These aren't just randomly placed stones, they represent a deliberate and sophisticated approach to building. Dozens of nearly identical stones, each a marvel of stonemasonry, lie scattered across the site. Their uniformity is striking, hinting at a level of standardization rarely seen in ancient construction. It begs the question, how did they achieve such consistency? These are not simple H-shapes as one might initially assume, but intricate three-dimensional puzzles, defying easy replication even with modern tools. Each block presents a unique set of angles and planes, carefully considered and executed, with sharp corners and interlocking notches meticulously carved into the stone. These notches aren't merely decorative, they serve a crucial structural purpose. They seem designed to fit together with absolute precision, forming strong, earthquake-resistant structures capable of withstanding the test of time and the region's seismic activity. This speaks volumes about the Tiwanaku's understanding of structural engineering. The precision and repetition suggest mass production from a master template, a concept that challenges our understanding of ancient manufacturing processes. Each H-block contains up to 80 perfectly finished surfaces, showcasing an incredible attention to detail. The modular design hints at advanced planning and standardization, suggesting a sophisticated system of construction far beyond simple stacking of stones. How did a society without the wheel or iron tools create such identical complex blocks from incredibly hard stone? The mystery deepens when we consider the limitations of their technology. The cuts are so precise and clean, they appear almost machine-made, leaving many to wonder if we truly understand the full extent of their capabilities. These blocks force us to reconsider the capabilities of the Tiwanaku people. They weren't just building, they were engineering a system, a testament to their ingenuity and foresight. A single error, a slight miscalculation, would ruin the fit and compromise the entire structure. Yet so many perfect blocks exist, a testament to their skill and quality control. The H-blocks are not just stones, they are components of a lost architectural machine, a silent testament to a civilization that possessed knowledge and skills that continue to baffle us today. Here lies Puma Punku's central enigma. The tools are missing. We see the result, stonework of unmatched precision, but no evidence of tools capable of such feats. The Tiwanaku were a Bronze Age culture, using copper, bronze and stone tools. Yet, these materials are too soft for the sharp angles and fine details found here. No iron or steel tools have been discovered. Transporting the massive blocks from quarries over 50 miles away, without wheels, adds to the mystery. The traditional explanation involves thousands of laborers using ropes and ramps, but the logistics are staggering. The stones suggest technology far beyond what archaeology attributes to the Tiwanaku. We have the finished product, but the process is a blank. Puma Punku's puzzle endures undeniable results but an invisible cause. Mainstream archaeology credits human ingenuity and organized labor. The prevailing view, the Tiwanaku achieved this with patience, skill, and simple tools. Harder stones, sand, and water as abrasives. Monumental projects required a stable society, a large workforce, and strong leadership. Precision came from meticulous measurement and relentless dedication. Grooves and holes were made with bow drills and abrasives over long periods. If true, this work represents the zenith of Stone Age technology. The wonder of Puma Punku, in this view, is a testament to human potential. The gap between evidence and explanation has inspired alternative theories. Some suggest the Tiwanaku had lost knowledge, like stone softening liquids from native plants, or even sonic technology to cut and move stone. These ideas, though unproven, attempt to explain the molded appearance and lack of tool marks. Proponents argue extraordinary results require extraordinary explanations. While dismissed by mainstream science, such theories persist because the stones themselves defy conventional logic. History is full of lost knowledge. Perhaps Puma Punku is another example. Whether through forgotten chemistry or unknown physics, the mystery remains open. Puma Punku leaves us with a question: what does it truly represent? Is it a monument to human perseverance, achieved with simple tools and boundless patience? Or is it evidence of lost knowledge, techniques and sciences now vanished? Perhaps the truth lies between incredible skill, possibly aided by forgotten methods. The site challenges our assumptions about ancient capabilities. It reminds us that modern technology is not the only path to sophistication. As the sun sets, Puma Punku returns to silence, a geometric puzzle on a continental scale. It invites us to keep asking questions, not to settle for easy answers. Whether a testament to genius or a relic of lost knowledge, it stands as a reminder of the mysteries still hidden in our world. The gateway of the Puma endures, silent and enigmatic, daring us to solve its riddle. If you found yourself captivated by the secrets of Puma Punku, imagine what other mysteries await discovery. Here at Alien Tech Files, we journey beyond the boundaries of mainstream history, exploring ancient enigmas and unsolved puzzles from around the world. Don't miss out on our next adventure, subscribe now, and join a community of curious minds seeking the truth behind the world's greatest mysteries. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. The answers may still be out there, and together we just might find them.